Hello guys, once again. Good morning, good morning, good morning guys. Now, I'm coming out from metro station. Naglalakad po tayo, papunta po tayo sa bus station. At guys, napakapagi na po dito sa lugar ko guys. Yan. Pakita ko po sa inyo yung paga. Yan. Yan po yung pagi. Starting na po dito yung cold weather guys. Yan. So, the weather is so nice. Yan, nandito na po ako sa bus station. Yan. Waiting ko na po yung bus. So, yan guys. Napakapagi sa lugar ko. Yan, makikita nyo guys. Super pagi. At medyo hinihingal ako guys, medyo malamig na yung panahon guys, malamig na. So if you can see guys, ayan, makikita nyo halos wala ng sasakyan sa malayo, hindi na natin nakikita guys. Yan yung situation ko dito guys, at this time ay maghintay tayo ng bus. So early, wala pang bus na dumarating. So hintay po tayo in a minute. Dadating na yung bus from this way, going po sa aking work. Yan po yung daily routine ko pag morning shift po ako guys. So ayan yung mga building this side, almost hindi na makita. Yung matataas na building dyan guys, ayan, matataas yung building dyan, hindi na siya makita. And also this side guys, ayan, hindi na makita yung building kasi natatakloban siya ng foggy in the morning. Around time check is around 6:20. Yan, 6:20 to 6:25 at this time guys. Yeah, mag-report lang tayo, no? Yan. Ito po yung ating daily routine. At this morning, doon po sa train station natin, meron tayong nakasama, which one another nationality, and she forget the bags, and suddenly, and good work naman yung nagawa natin. Ayan, nahabol natin yung may-ari, at nakuha niya yung bag. Ayan. So, ayun siya guys, naglalakad siya at this time. Nakuha niya yung bag doon sa upuan. Yan. So until na wala pang bus na iniintay natin going to my work, and then suddenly around 20 minutes rounding to my place, makaka-reach na tayo sa ating pupuntahan guys, sa ating destination, sa ating work. Ayan, so dito guys, napaka cold, ang weather is cold now. Nararamdaman na natin yung what this is? Lamig, Christmas season. Ayan, yung Christmas season. So, yan guys, ayan, yung bus is over there. Paliko na siya at hihinto na siya dito guys. So, up to now guys, maraming salamat. Update. Yan. Thank you for tuning in. Love you. Bye everyone. Have a nice day and God bless.